When your roof is damaged, it's not just a problem. It's a threat to your home and your family's safety. And when it comes to a roofing contractor in Arlington, Massachusetts, there's only one name you need to know: FRS Roofing plus Gutters. Our team of professionals has the knowledge and experience to tackle any roofing issue you may be facing. We're trusted experts with years of experience providing top quality workmanship and customer service. Whether a simple repair or a complete replacement, we'll work with you to find the best solution for your needs and budget. We also specialize in gutters installation to protect your home from water damage. At FRS Roofing plus Gutters, we understand that every home is different, and every roofing issue requires a unique solution. So, if you're a homeowner in Arlington, Massachusetts, experiencing roofing issues, don't wait any longer. Contact us today at 781-322-6252, and let us help you protect your home and your family. You can also visit our website at www.frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Arlington for more information about our services. FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your trusted partner for all your roofing needs.